So a few weeks ago, I posted about this installation we did in Lafia to power a 40-room hotel. And I told you in that video that the initial design for this hotel is a 30 kilowatt hour lithium battery with a 12 kilowatt inverter to power the lighting points, the TVs, and some fans. It means few fans in this hotel, the lighting points, the TVs, the exterior and the interior light will be running on this 12 kilowatt inverter on daily basis. So now that we've achieved our initial design of 30 kilowatt hour battery with 18 units of 620 watt solar panels, we've now detached the grid and the generator from the inverter completely, because we want the inverter to be off the grid. We don't want it on NEPA or generator. So everything that is on this inverter will be running 247 from this very inverter with these 2 units of 15 kilowatt hour lithium battery that are connected in parallel to this inverter. They are off the grid when it comes to the appliances on the inverter. We have enough inverter with enough solar panels on the roof to handle the amount of load that they will be consuming in this hotel. And note that this is hotel, not every time that they will have a full house. The only time they will have a full house is maybe towards the weekend, or maybe there is an occasion in this environment. So if in such cases, they might end up using like 60% or 50% of this battery overnight, while in the afternoon, the major work is done from the solar panel. Because presently is evening already. You can see one of our PV, that's one string of our PV, is generating 1.5, and the other guy is generating about 1.2. The reason why it's doing this is because the load that is being consumed presently on this inverter is no more than 1.2 kilowatt, and our batch, okay, 14%, 1.2 kilowatt. That is what we are consuming. So we have enough energy coming to cover up the load and to also charge the battery bank at the same time. So we are available to also install something like this for your hotel if you want to cut down your electricity bill. Note that the purpose of this installation is to cut it by 50, 60, or even 70%, since the major appliances is the TV, the fans, and the lighting points.